X plus 7 equals 9. I have to find value of x. In order to find value of x, I have to eliminate 7 from left side of my equation. Why? Because I want to leave x by itself. Because I have addition, I'm supposed to move this number to the right side, to the other side of the equal sign, in order to make sure that x is going to be alone. That's why I'm going to have x equals 9. Anytime I move the variable or number to the other side of the equal sign, when rest of the equation stays at the original position, I'm supposed to change the sign. That's why I'm going to have negative 7. X is equal 9 minus 7 is equal to. This is the solution to my problem. If you want to prove your answer, you're supposed to replace this x by the value which we just found. Simply write 2 plus 7 has to be equal 9. 2 plus 7 is equal 9. 9 is equal 9. So this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. I have x plus 2 equals 6. I have to find value of x. X is added to 2. I have to eliminate this 2 from the left side. Because I have addition, I'm supposed to move it to the other side of the equation. And I'm going to have x equals 6 minus 2. Remember, we have to change the sign anytime we move variable or number to the other side of the equal sign when other parts of the equation stay at the original positions. So I'm going to have x equals 6 minus 2 is equal 4. This is the solution to my problem. Let's prove that this is correct. So I have to replace this x by the value which I just found. I'm going to have 4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is equal 6. That's why this is the solution to my problem.